Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail here today, and this is from our really good friend Kat, who was Lolly Thimble here on YouTube. I just got it today, and I'm a little excited to see her creations because she is so talented, and I love everything that she creates. I hope that she comes back to YouTube when the timing is right for her. She recently told me that she's no longer on YouTube, and I'm afraid it's maybe because of the COPA or whatever, but anyway, she got this cute little kitty on here, and I just pulled out what was in the envelope. Sorry, that was my phone. And she has a little note here. Let me read it real quick. Oh, well, girl, you are better than me. I have my Christmas cards made. I have not sent them out yet, but she just said, "Hello, my sweet friend, sending you some belated holiday greetings. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Happy New Year to you. XOXO Kat." Beautiful butterfly paper. I miss you, Kat. I miss you so much. I love your videos, and I miss chatting back and forth with you. I hope you're, I know you weren't feeling well. I hope you guys are doing better. Oh, look at this little, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Cat girl, I miss you. And you guys can see why. Look at this gorgeous card that she created. And to me, you can never be late for Christmas or early. Christmas is in our hearts, and all year through, it's the birth of Jesus Christ. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna get choked up, but Christmas is in our hearts all year long. And this is not late, my dear. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at her snowflake button right here, and this is little seam binding she made as a closure. This is gorgeous. Look at this little gingerbread man. It's a little metal embellishment, and she has some trim here. Look at this gorgeous trim. She got some white rick rack, and I don't know what this is, but it's beautiful. That is so cool. I'm gonna take a guess and say this is also rickrack, and she like braided it somehow and then stitched it together. Oh, so pretty, Kat. And the card says warm wishes and gingerbread kisses. And I bet she printed this out too. Oh my gosh, girl. I always love her sentiments. She does everything by hand. I mean, I know she printed these out. I don't know. It looks just like you could print them out, but that is a smart idea because I'm always short on sentiments. I'm gonna have to steal that, Kat. I don't want to say steal. I'm gonna borrow that. Start using my printer. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this gorgeous. Oh, this little girl. She's gorgeous. I got goosebumps. I'm sorry. And some yummy cocoa. Oh my goodness, Kat. You have the best ideas. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Why not send a little cup of goodie? Oh my goodness, look at that. Raspberry chocolate hot cocoa. Oh, that is delicious. I'm just gonna go downstairs and make this real quick. I'm ridiculous. But look at this. This is her writing. I know that's her writing. Gorgeous penmanship. It just says yum. She made a little flag on the paper clip. Isn't that so smart? She is so ingenious. I love her creations. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the little gingerbreads. Oh my goodness. Girl. Look at this. It's an ornament. Oh, Kat. Kat, you just make me feel so special. I love it, girl. This is so beautiful. And she just put that little double stick tape on the back. Yay! And she has a little dress, little purple bows. I love it. Oh, this is my favorite color. Yes, Kat. She created this herself. I know it. She created this little character, cut it, drew it, put a little dress on it. Look at me, I'm just peeking. She's a full gingerbread. She got the little arms and the little legs, and she has her own little gingerbread right here. Gingerbread cookie. And then she has a little letter. Oh, you are too cute. And yes, she signed it. Oh my goodness. Perfect. You guys, sign your creations. That is gorgeous. Oh my God, Kat. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, Kat. I can't stop. I just can't stop saying thank you. This beautiful creation. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Such a smart idea. I love, 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 love it. And yes, she signed it. She has her little kitty stamp right there for Kat. And then she put the year. Beautiful. My gosh, girl. I don't know how you come up with these ideas. They're so perfect. But anyways, thank you, Kat. I love you. And I hope you're feeling better. And I hope you have a wonderful new year. More positive vibes your way, my friend. I love you. Everybody, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.